Hanging out in the organizing section of any store is what we professional organizers do for fun. It's where we get our inspiration, fantasize about tricking out luxury closets, and imagine all of the stylish possibilities.
We are the team of Mission to Organize, and we want to show you some of our favorite organizing products, why you may need them, and how they work.
You can't even imagine how many of our clients have these Kiva baskets in their master closets at this very minute. They really work after all.
Keep watching to see if any of our favorite products are just the thing you need to complete your latest home organizing project.
Okay, I'll admit it. I'm a little obsessed with pouches. I always have been. And it's surprising to us when we find out that people don't know the magic of pouches. These zippered bags come in a ton of adorable designs and can hold all kinds of goodies. My favorite example of how to use pouches is with a purse, so I'll show you mine. I have one pouch in here that holds my chargers, one for makeup, another one for snacks, and then the last one is for my essentials like medicine and gum. Then when it's time to switch purses or use a backpack, all I have to do is transfer my pouches and voila, I'm all ready to go. I also use them to sort and store the different travel toiletries in my bathroom and for things that I'm packing into my suitcase, like hair accessories. If you're someone who loves to see things, consider using a see-through pouch like this one. All of us at Team M2O bring more than one pouch to every appointment. In fact, our M2O rolling bags hold individual pouches for our shoe covers, aprons, gloves, first aid kit, label maker, tools, and more. Next time you see us, ask us about our favorite pouch and we'll ask you about yours.
It is hard for me to pick a favorite organizing product. I love most of them and I can find use for almost any organizing product. But if I have to pick a favorite, I choose Pegboard. You might not even think of it as an organizing product since it's not a traditional basket, but they're amazing when it comes to saving a space. Pegboard allows you to use vertical and traditionally unused spaces. There are also many attachments available, from hooks to baskets and more. Decide what you want to organize first in order to decide which attachments you need. Use Pegboard in the kitchen to hang cooking utensils and other kitchen items, in bathroom to organize your makeup and beauty products, and in garages to organize anything from tools to hoses and even fish lures. Here is an example of how I have used Pegboard to hold my jewelry. I built and painted this one myself using the dead space behind my bedroom door. When you do it yourself, you can either match the paint from the wall or show your personality with a pop of color. Using a variety of attachments, I'm able to organize and easily access my necklaces, rings, and even bracelets. Once you set up your Pegboard, you see that maintaining it is so easy, no matter where you use it in your house.
As a professional organizer, I have seen every corner of our clients' homes. The product I choose as my favorite is one that is versatile for use all around the house. Take a look at these fine, clear, plastic, stackable storage bins. Because of their opacity and open tops, they are particularly great for people who are very visual and like to be able to see things. There are 3 basic ways to use these bins. First of all, you can stack them vertically to maximize the height of a storage area, like under the sink kitchen or bathroom cabinets. I actually use the skinny version to stack my baking supplies. You can insert them into a drawer to create a divider system. One of the best things about these is that they come with removable dividers, which allow you to micro-sort and separate larger categories. That would be useful in a craft room or an office. Use as many of the dividers as you like, or remove all of them to use as a completely open basket. If you go that direction, you can just place them directly on the shelf. These even work for shallow cabinets that are less than 6 inches deep. Just make sure that you place them parallel to the back wall. The larger size bins even have rollers on the bottom, which make them easier to slide out of a deep storage space. Each one has 2 handle options. This handle would work well on a high or low shelf, whereas this one could be used for a sturdier grip. If you're looking for an affordable, durable container line that can be used as you and your family grow, try these fine storage bins.
When you're looking to get organized, but you don't have a lot of space for a piece of furniture, hooks to the rescue. Hooks fit in the smallest nooks and crannies, like behind a door or inside a closet on the wall. Hooks are great because they can be added to pretty much any room. Hanging a robe in the bathroom, pot holders in the kitchen, hats in the bedroom, or dusters in your cleaning closet. There are a wide variety of hooks on the market. They come as individual hooks, over-the-door hooks, or a bar of multiple hooks. Individual hooks are extremely versatile because they can be placed pretty much anywhere. Our favorite general use hooks are called command hooks by 3M. Because they attach with an adhesive, there is no damage to the wall, and you can attach them to pretty much any flat surface. Command hooks come in a variety of colors and strengths. There are a few things you have to keep in mind when deciding which one will work for your hanging project. Consider the weight of the item you will be hanging. Each package of hooks indicates the maximum weight the hooks will safely hold. You also have to make sure the whole of the items you are hanging is able to get around the notch of the hook. Think about a thin belt, for example. You want to make sure that the small buckle actually fits on the hook. Visit command.com to find the perfect hook for your project. And then get started making the most underutilized storage spaces.
Now that we've shared with you all of our favorite organizing products that we use not only in our clients' homes, but in our own homes, we want to hear from you.
What are your favorite organizing products? Comment below to share the solutions that have transformed the way that you organize.
We'll leave the links for the products that we showed in the video description so you can try them out yourselves.
Catch us right here on M2O TV each month, Instagram each week, Facebook each day, and mission2organize.com 24/7 for the latest from Team M2O. Bye!